see what's going on. Hello, this is the fire station. What is your emergency? Someone has trapped in the tree. We ask the firemen for help. Don't worry, the fire rescue team will set out immediately. There is an emergency. Help us put on fireman uniform and let's get ready to set out. Whiskers climbed a tree and got stuck in it. Okay, let's get ready to climb up the tree. Let's climb the tree and help Whiskers down. There are birds. Chase them away quickly. Cut off these branches with scissors. There are spiders hanging from the tree. Get rid of them first. Whiskers, don't be afraid. I'll secure the rope and help you down. Slide the arrow and attach the rope to the tree trunk.